how to install Citymapper app on your iPhone. So just tap to download, and then you'll just be able to install this app. Live bus, metro, and train times. This is like very cool app. You can you can figure out all the best transport options in new cities, especially if you're traveling and all of that. You can just see all the travel options instantly in this app. Of course, you can use something like Google Maps, but these apps can also be like really good, and you can see all the schedules, for example, for the buses, for the trains, metro, and all of that. And if you want to get from point A to point B, that's like one of the best apps to navigate through the cities. It's very easy to use and accurate, especially in big like US cities. So then you can just start, you can allow your location, but it works not only in US. I think it should be working also around the world in selected cities. So then you just download the app, and then you give access to your location. It automatically identifies your location. And then you can just see all the navigations around. You can see like which buses stops, which metro options are in specific places, and then you can just select the route and navigate from there. You can set it up, what's your workplace, what's your home place, and then you can select either all transport options, either walk, biking, bus, metro, like rail, just depending on the city where you are. So for example, in Copenhagen there is metro, and there is like S-train, which is like a different type of metro. And in all cities around the world there are different means of public transportation, and it's like very easy overview of these transport lines around the city. So yeah, something around that. If you want to remove ads, just only $1.5 per month. And if you want to create an account, you can just easily sign up with Apple or just with Google or something like that. Hope that's helpful.